Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. And good news for New York State residents. We have got the latest stimulus check update for the New York property tax rebate. We have actually got this rebate check right over here. And New York State residents are receiving a property tax rebate. Who will receive this stimulus check from New York? How much money you will receive? We have got a New York property tax rebate for $150 for New York residents. We have got all the details on New York property tax rebate, the eligibility criteria, who is eligible, the exact income limits for eligibility, when can you expect your rebate checks, is there any application you need to do in order to get this rebate? Well guys, we have lots of details on New York property tax rebate right here in this video. So before we start, make sure to check out other videos from our channel and do subscribe with bell notification turn on. That will keep you posted on latest financial updates. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. As per the latest reports, we got a latest updates on property tax rebates in New York. New York City's homeowners contribute so much to our city neighborhoods, economy, and quality of life. In recognition of this, Mayor Eric Adams and the New York City Council are issuing property tax rebates in the amount of $150 to all the eligible homeowners. And we have actually got the sample rebate check right over here, and you will receive this rebate check in this format. This is the letter. Thanks to a law passed by New York City Council and signed by Eric Adams, you are receiving this property tax rebate and your rebate check is below. The rebate is being issued thanks for many contributions property owners like you made, and we will continue to make New York City's economy, including city's recovery from COVID-19 pandemic, and you are eligible for this rebate. If you like more information about this rebate program, you can call on 311 or visit this link, New York City Department of Finance. And this is how the sample check will look like. Now coming to the most important point, the exact eligibility criteria. Well, this property tax rebate is for homeowners whose New York City's property is their primary residence, and those people who have combined income of $250,000 or less, and most of the recipients of school tax relief, that is star exemption or star exemption credit, they will automatically qualify for this tax rebate, and they will not need to do any further actions in order to receive this property tax rebate. And well, some of the star recipients may be asked to provide additional information according to specific requirements. And well, if you are not currently receiving star benefit but you believe that you may qualify for this rebate, then you can submit an application right over here. And this is the form for property tax rebate. This one is a New York property tax rebate form. You need to state your property information, property identifier, filer information, property owner information, and all these details right over here. And speaking of the eligibility, here you need to answer some of these questions. First one being, was the combined adjusted gross annual income of all the owners who qualify for this property as primary residence is less than $250,000 or less or equal to that in tax year 2020? If yes, then you are qualified for this one. And did the property serve as a primary residence for at least one of the owner after June 15th, 2022 for at least 90 days prior? Also, is this property owned by one individual, multiple individuals, or a trust? And that's basically all the information you need to fill up in this form. Speaking of the exact income eligibility, property owners with income less than $250,000, if you got your adjusted gross income reported on your federal tax returns, that is line 11 for form 1040, it should be less than $250,000, then you'll be likely qualifying for this rebate. Also, please be advised that if your reported losses on federal schedules C, D, or E, or F, or any losses over $3,000 will be added back to your income in the calculation for purpose of the eligibility for this rebate. Speaking of the rebate issuance, well, if you are up to date on your property taxes as of June 30, 2022, then you'll be mailed a check in the August of 2022, and if you have outstanding property taxes, this rebate will be applied as a credit on your account, and it will reduce or eliminate your taxes that you owed to New York State. And speaking of the application, most of the recipients of the star exemption or star credit will automatically qualify for this one. Do not need to take any actions in order to receive this property tax rebate. However, if you are currently not not receiving star credit, but if you believe that you may qualify for this rebate, then you can apply online or complete this paper application and submit it. So that's all the details we got on New York property tax rebate. Soon eligible New York state residents are on their way to receive $150 property tax rebate. I hope you found this video helpful, so make sure to hit that like. Do subscribe to our channel with bell notification turn on. That will keep you posted on latest financial updates and all that. Thank you so much for watching this video till then, and this is Kedar from How to Guys signing out.